my beauties, welcome back to Wendy's World. So we're in year 2020 and we want to make it exciting, so why not? Let's change our hair color. So you can see I have a very dark brown, almost black, and I want to go from this to this. Again, I'm using Natural Instincts, and as you can see, there's a lot more red in it. And in this case, I have chosen the Rich Plum Dark Burgundy. So ladies, let's give it a go. So beauties, what you get in this product is you will get the Brilliant Shine Conditioner. You will get the Color Enhancing Cream. You will get the Color Activator. You will get a set of plastic gloves, and you will get the instructions. So what I suggest is that you read the instructions thoroughly. I have already done that, and it will suggest that you do a allergy test to your hair, and I don't need to do that because I've already used this product and it works for me. You may want to do it yourself. So in this case, it suggests that if you have roots, that you put it on the roots for 15 minutes. Now, I don't need to do that, and you may not need to do that. You can see I've already colored my hair fairly recently. I don't have a lot of roots, and so what we're going to do is open the product, shake it first. Shake it good. Then you're going to open it. You're going to take the Color Enhancing Cream. It has a cap that you can pierce it with. You will then take the entire amount. So sorry. And then you're going to put it in all the way in. There you go. Make sure you put the entire amount in. When you have done that, ladies, you then take the cap, put it back on, and you shake. Now, I have an older t-shirt. Go get yourself an older t-shirt. Step on an older towel, and then get an old towel and put it around you when you're applying this if you like. Make sure you have some paper towel just in case you make a bit of a mistake. Okay, ladies, let's go. Now, I don't have a hairdresser's brush. You don't need one either. Put on the gloves, and we will start to color. What are your resolutions for 2020, ladies? I have a few, and one of mine in particular is to go to sleep earlier and to wake up earlier, and I'm somewhat successful at that. I find that after a long day of work and you've walked your dog, if you have a dog, and you've cooked, and then you settle in front of the TV, sometimes you end up watching a little bit too many episodes on Netflix. So try not to do that. Try to go to sleep a little bit earlier, and you will, of course, feel better in the morning, and you'll look better in the morning. So I have shaken the product really well. Take off the tip and then apply. So again, they suggest that on your rooted area, you should apply the product, but I am not necessarily needing to do that in this case, so I'll just apply the product in my entire head of hair. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm only going to need to wait 20 minutes. Normally what you do is you wait 15 minutes in the rooted area, and then you put the rest of the product on your hair, and you wait another 5 minutes, so altogether 20 minutes. Okay, to make sure it is distributed evenly. All right, ladies, I will see you in 20 minutes. Well, I just got out of the shower and you can see a little bit more of the red highlights. I had hoped it would be redder, of course, but it's not completely dry. So my beauties, I'm going to finish this and I'll show you the end results in a bit. Hey beauties, what do you think? You can see my hair is gorgeous. It's healthy, vibrant looking, and I would have liked to see a little bit more red in it, but it's probably due to the fact that I didn't wait long enough between colorings, and so that is a lesson learned. I will wait a little bit longer next time. I want to give a shout out to Wendy. She commented on my most popular video, which is Clairol Natural Instincts, A More Beautiful You, and I thank you so much for making that a popular video. This is what she had to say. Hey, I love the color. I got dark brown. It's amazing. It's so conditioning. I think I'll keep using it due to going through menopause. My hair is falling out so bad. Thank you so much for commenting, Wendy. And yes, you're right. There is another Wendy. So I just want to say to you ladies, I was thinking my next video will be on bioidentical hormones. I know this is a very polarizing subject, but I do use it and I will give you my experiences. So thank you so much for joining me in Wendy's World, and I will see you next time on my next tutorial. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye for now.